We'll guide you through how to bypass the Claude message limit effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Claude AI platform. Once you're logged in, you'll notice that the message limit can sometimes be a hurdle. Here's a nifty trick to get around it. You need to use a VPN service to change your IP address. This can help in creating a new session with Claude. Go ahead and activate your VPN, choosing a location different from your current one. Refresh the Claude page, and you'll be signed out due to the new IP. Sign back in, and you'll find that your message limit has been reset. If you don't have a VPN, you can use free browser extensions like TunnelBear or Windscribe. Just install the extension, activate it, and follow the same steps. This method works because Claude identifies sessions based on IP addresses, so changing it tricks the system into thinking you're a new user. Keep in mind that while this is an effective workaround, it's always good to stay within terms of service for any platform. Another tip is to use incognito mode in your browser after switching the VPN, which can help prevent any cached data from affecting your login session. Remember, you might have to clear your browser's cache and cookies occasionally to ensure a fresh start every time you log in. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.